Sisters, many of you I haven't seen for many years, so if I don't remember what you look like, please forgive me. If you remember what I look like, please come introduce yourself and make sure I know you before you leave. So my name is Dessi Hyson. I come from many groups, many places, seen many faces, but these are my brothers. Donovan is on the bass, Iowa on the drums. My very good brother Nidek is here with me, and my brother Jerome, who you're going to see sing and perform later. But right now, we'd like to do something for you from my Grammy nominated CD titled A Miracle. And this one is titled We Are the Children. It goes something like this. No. Goes like this.